Hello, and thank you for joining this tutorial. Today we will learn how to manage playback settings in feeds on the Rumble app for Android phones. Adjusting playback options helps you control data usage and improve your viewing experience by choosing when videos should automatically play as you scroll through your feed. First, open the Rumble app on your Android phone. Next, tap on the account option located at the bottom. Then, click on the Settings icon, which you'll find in the top right corner. Scroll down through the Settings menu until you find the section labeled Playback. Tap on Playback in Feeds to open the options. Finally, choose your preferred setting from Always On, Wi-Fi only, or off depending on your data preferences and convenience. Managing playback settings on Rumble allows you to save data or enjoy videos without interruption. Make sure to adjust these settings according to your needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.